Good evening, Jashwant. Good evening, all. Yes, good evening, all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will go with the determinants today. So, just a minute, I'll open the questions. Yes, have you revised the notes? Jashwant, have you revised? Have you? I asked you people to revise the notes and come. How many of you did that? Hello, guys, are you here? I asked you to revise. How many of you revised and came? Have you revised? Jashwant, very good. Good revision. Jafar, okay, let's get started now. Can you see the screen? Yes. So everyone go through this question. The first question given to you is, because this is a 2021 question. 2021 question. Everyone go through that. So A matrix given to you. A matrix given to you. What happened? Okay, everyone solve this. Matrix A given to you and I value given, then system of linear equations a to the power of 8 xy 864 is what? Pick. So quite simple question. How many solutions it has? See, very simple. Let time up. The question what he has given. The question is A matrix given that I minus I minus I plus I, then I is equal to square root of -1. Then system of linear equations of a to the power of 8 xy is equal to 864 as what? So basically, how do we solve? It has unique solutions. And before look at this, first let's solve this question after that I'll teach you what exactly the system of linear equations concept is. I will revise. Already you might be knowing that. I'll revise it once. So A value given, I mean A matrix given to you. What is A square is going to be? A square is nothing but I minus I minus I. What is A square value you are getting? What is the A square value you got? What is A square beta? I into I square minus it minus plus I square. Okay. And next minus I square minus I square. So here minus I square minus I square I square plus I square. Correct? After multiplication, I square value minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2 here. So I can take 2 common. If I take 2 common, what I left with now? Minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Correct? This is what I left with. So now a to the power of 4 is what? A to the power of 4 is what? A to the power of 4 can be written as, because a square is, this is my a square. A to the power of 4 is 2 square and 2 minus, see, a to the power of 2, you are getting something like this, and a to the power of 4 something like this. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, you will be getting like that pattern. So here a to the power of 8 is going to be what now? For 4 here 2 square, for 2 you are getting to the power of 1 here. Okay. And for a to the power of 8, for a to the power of 8, what you are going to get? Here again 2 square common, as a 2 square as it is 2 common, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So 2 to the power of, so 4 to the 8, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is what a to the power of 4. A to the power of 8 is what? 64. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Correct? So now again 2 common, so 2 168 128, right? Minus 1 1. Correct? So this is what I got. Okay, he is asking for a to the power of 8 only, right? So a to the power of 8 I got now. A to the power of 8 substitute. He has given that a to the power of 8 x y is equal to 864 he has given. So a to the power of 8, let's substitute here. So 128 times of 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 into xy is equal to 864. Okay, this is 2021 question, right? So next what he has given here, now just multiply this. So 128 as it is, so x minus y minus x plus y is equal to 864. So just compare corresponding elements. So first of all, x minus y is equal to 8 by 128, and minus x plus y is equal to 64 by 128. Correct? So if you simplify this, what you are going to get? X minus y is equal to 1 by 16, and if you simplify this, you will be getting x minus y plus, so 1 out of 2, right? 1 by 2. So now if you simplify this, let us consider the equation number 1. Let us consider this 2. So if I simplify this will be getting cancelled. 0 can't be equal to 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12, right? So is it clear? So 0 can't be equal to 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2 basically. Correct? This is quite impossible. It is quite impossible. So option is going to be what? What is the option is going to be? I think we have to download this, then only it will be proper. Option C is correct. Option 3, no solution. Guys, can I say it has no solution now? Look at this, it has no solutions. You can't say, look at this, 1 second, I think okay. No solution is answer. Unique solution, infinite many solution, exactly 2 solutions. It is not possible, guys. No solution is the right answer. Clear? Understood, people? Guys, understood or not? Hello? Children, any doubts? Children, any doubt? Ramcharan Teja, why are you late? Why are you late, Charan?
There was a power cut.
Every time, I can't, get the same reason from your side.
No, sir, I didn't say before.
No. Actually, not from your side. I'm talking about the students presented over here. I shouldn't get any reason, such type of reason that, power cut, this cut, that cut. See, power cut, fine, but mobile device you have, right? You can join with mobile. See, for us, we are taking the class. If you don't have power cut, if you don't have Wi-Fi connection, for us, it will be a problem. But for you guys, like if you have mobile, then you can just join that, please. Try to understand why, because better you, like, this is for you. You have to understand this, okay? So system of linear equations, let me revise once. System of linear equations. And those who are like fresh, like 12th batch, those who have just promoted to class 12, for you, if you do not understand anything, please you do listen again. We will be revising you again, we'll be teaching you these concepts. So your seniors are like, they are about to write, JEE mains. For them, like, we are solving all previous year questions. The fresh students, those who are new students of class 12, you guys please make sure that you are listening the classes, try to understand it. If at all you don't understand, will be again covering it again. Okay. Sure. System of linear equation. Basically, beta, here I'll be talking about ax is equal to b concept. Ax is equal to b concept, right? See here, what is a here? Basically, what is x here? What is b here? You might be knowing that a is coefficient of matrix. B is x is what? Variables matrix. What is b here? Constants matrix. Constant matrix, correct? So basically, I'll be talking about Cramer's rule here. Cramer's rule. You might be knowing Cramer's rule. State board student, they might be aware of this Cramer's rule. What do you mean by Cramer's rule? In Cramer's rule, beta, there will be two conditions. If determinant is not equal to 0, if determinant is equal to 0. Okay. So basically, here also I'll be talking about ax is equal to b only. In fact, Cramer's rule says that if determinant is equal to 0, if determinant is not equal to 0, what are the conditions we will be applying over there? If determinant is not equal to 0, beta, if at all you have like at least one determinant is equal to 0, your condition will be at least 1 d1 d2 d3 would not be equal to 0. Okay, then you will be having consistent unique solution, which is nothing but non-zero, correct? And here d is equal to 0, d1 determinant 2 determinant 3 all will be 0. You will be having consistent infinite solutions. Okay. Here in case d1 determinant 2 determinant 3 is equal to 0, you will be having consistent trivial solutions. Trivial is nothing but 0 solution. Okay. Yes. Next, you might have learned all these guys. Any one of determinant is not equal to 0, it will be called as inconsistent. Inconsistent is nothing but no solution basically. If determinant is not equal to 0, any one of the determinant is not equal to 0, it will be calling as inconsistent, or you say that no solution. This is what the Cramer's rule is all about. The homogeneous system. Let's talk about homogeneous. Guys, already you learned this. I'm just revising you. Our motto is, the motto of this classes is solving previous year questions, solving as many questions as possible. That is the motto of the class. Okay, here homogeneous system, what says ax is equal to 0 matrix. Here Cramer's rule, ax is equal to b, we will be talking about. In homogeneous, we will be talking about ax is equal to 0. So here, if determinant of a, any matrix, is not equal to 0, if determinant of a is equal to 0, I just denoted d with a d there. I'm denoting with a here. Anything is fine. Here, if at all, if x is equal to 0, I would say that they are having trivial solutions. Trivial solutions. Okay, and here, if infinite solutions you will be having, if determinant is equal to 0, you say it includes what? Trivial and non-trivial. Trivial and non-trivial. Okay. In case, beta, if your determinant a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 is equal to 0, if and only if xy comma z is not equal to 0. So beta, this is what you have to remember. So, and the very, very important concept here is, if determinant is not equal to 0, at least one of this is not equal to 0 is nothing but you'll be having consistent unique solution, which is nothing but non-zero solution. If all the determinants are equal to 0, you'll be having consistent trivial solution. Okay. If determinant is equal to 0, under determinant is equal to 0 concept, if all determinants are 0, if all determinants are 0, consistent infinite solutions. If any one of the di is not equal to 0, then it will be inconsistent. Okay, so we will solve the questions now based on that. Okay, we'll solve the questions now. I'll show it to you. 1 second. Yeah. Yes. This is the first question I did. Next. Solve this question, guys. This is also 2021 shift 1 question. This question, everyone solve this question. The system of equation, this has no solution. Then k value is what? Quick. No solution is given. Make it fast. What happened? Guys, make it fast. Quick. If he's talking about a linear equation has no solution if k is equal to dash. Very simple. No solution is nothing but what? Just now I told beta. What is that? Determinant is equal to 0. Correct? Check. No solution. Look at this here. Where is that? Here. When determinant is equal to 0, I have a no solution case. Look at this. Correct? So now what I'll be doing now for no solution. Let me write here. Where is that? Yes. So determinant of this is what? First of all, let's write the matrix. So kx plus y plus z is equal to 1. X plus ky plus z is equal to k. And x plus y plus kz is equal to k square. We'll have no solution if and only if the determinant is equal to 0. 1 1 and 1 k 1. Writing the coefficients first. 1 1 k, determinant is equal to 0. Correct? So determinant of this is what? So k, expanding along with the row 1. So k into k square minus 1 into k minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus k is equal to 0. Correct? Next, look at this here, k cube minus k plus 1 minus k is equal to 0. So now k cube minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. And see here, it is going to satisfy when, of course, k is equal, if k is equal to 1, is it going to satisfy? Check. 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. This is what the answer. So we find only if k is equal to, where is that answer? Where is that question about it? Oh. The question is if k is equal to 1, it has no solutions. Any doubts? Whenever you get no solution, different, simply you do determinant is equal to 0. Very simple. Correct? Is it clear, children? Children, so answer is what? If k is equal to 1, it will be having no solution. Any doubts? Children, any doubts? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Ah, everyone write this. Seventh question. If A matrix given to you, this one, determinant of this is equal to 0, then possible values of alpha is what? It is a quite simple question actually. Very simple. Chalo. Tell me the ideas. You have to talk. Determinant of A square. So what is A square? First of all, find out A square. 0 sin alpha, right? Okay, let's write the question. A is equal to 0 sin alpha 0, and determinant of A square minus half of possible values of alpha is what? First of all, let's find out A square. What is A square? 0 sin alpha into 0, 0 sin alpha into 0. So 0 plus sin square alpha. Next 0, 0 sin square alpha here. Okay, which is equal to this is A square, right? So determinant of now this is A square value. Okay, A square minus half of I is what? A square minus half of I is equal, minus half of I is what? Half of I is nothing but half, 0, 0, half. Correct? So now let me write here A square minus half I, right? So sin square alpha minus this 0, 0 sin square minus half. Correct? This is what I got. Correct. Next, we need to find out determinant of this, right? We need to find out determinant of this. What is the determinant of this going to be? Determinant of this is going to be what? Determinant of this is going to be sine square alpha minus half whole square minus 0 is equal to what? 0 given to you. Check. Determinant of this is equal to 0 given. So I'm equating with 0. So sine square alpha minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Sine square alpha minus is equal to 0. Sine square alpha is what? 1 by 2. Sine alpha is what? Plus or minus 1 by square root of 2. Then alpha is what? Alpha is what? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Isn't it? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Hello? Any doubts? Children, any doubts? I didn't do anything, Babu. Very simple here. Look at this. A square I found and I subtracted a square. I subtracted half of I from a square and I just found the determinant of that particular thing. I got pi by 4. Alpha value is pi by 4. Hope it is clear with you all. Next. Eighth question. Everyone solve eighth question. Okay, it's a fill in the blank question. You take it as a homework, guys. This fill in the blank question, you take it as a homework. Everyone, please do solve this question. Quite simple. Yesterday we have solved a question based upon it. Look at it. Find out a to the power of 4 and determinant of that. Determinant of a to the power of 10 minus adjoint of 2a. I gave you formulas. Follow those. I gave you the properties as well yesterday. Follow those properties. Try to find it out and tell me the answer tomorrow. Eighth question is a homework. Everyone take a picture or everyone take a snap if you want. Okay, please. Next question. Hope you took the picture, guys. Hope you took the screenshot. Have you taken? Have you taken the screenshot or not? Do respond. Daria, Jashwant, Charan, Jafar.
Yes, sir.
Have you? Great. ठीक है जशवंत. Good. Solve this question. Where is that? This one. Where is that? Yes, this one. Everyone solve this quick. Guys, got it? He's asking the solutions of the determinant given to you. What is the solution? See here, he's asking for a solution. Very quite simple answer. Quick. Guys, quick, make it fast. What happened? What is the procedure you got? How can you go about this question? Very simple question actually. What can we do? We have to apply elementary row operation concept here. Elementary row operation concept. He's asking for solutions of that. So look at this here. Very simple. I'll just go with. I'll write here itself. It would be easy for you to understand if I write here itself. See here, what can I do here? Basically, R1. Can I change R1? R1 changes as what? R1 plus R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what it becomes from R1 changes as what? R1 is going to change as what? 1 plus 1 plus sin square x plus 4 sin 2x sin square x plus so the R1 plus this one, let me write fully. Let me neatly guys. R1 changes as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1, how I'm going to change, guys? I have less space, so let me write some more direct steps. R1 plus R2 plus R3, right? So what are you going to left with now? 1 plus sin square x plus cos square x plus 4 sin 2x. Here also sin square x plus 1 plus cos square x plus 4 sin 2x. Here also sin square x plus cos square x plus 1 plus 4 sin 2x. Okay, so now R1 only changing, so remaining R2 will be remain same, R3 will be remain same. I'm not writing there, so check. Look at this here. Here, if you observe this properly, everyone look at the board carefully. Here 1 sin square plus cos square 1, so 1 plus 1 what? 2, right? So 2 plus 4 sin 2x. Okay, here 1 plus 1 is what? 2, so again 2 plus 4 sin 2x. Again check 1 plus, here cos square plus sin square is 1, 1 plus 1 2, so 2 plus 4 sin x. Correct? Okay, so now R2 and R3 is same, so let me write as it is. R2 is cos square x, 1 plus cos square x and cos square x. Here 4 sin 2x, 4 sin 2x, 1 plus 4 sin 2x. Correct? Huh. Now this is equal to 0 given to you. Now possible value of x is what? What's the possible value of x? See, 7 pi. Here x should be lies between, and the solution is asking, which is nothing but x value is asking. So x value lies between 0 to pi, not more than that. Okay, so 0 to 180 only. So now here I can take all these, what do you say? I can take row 1, all these element common. Row 1 is, in row 1 all the elements are same. So I can take 4 plus, so 2 plus 4 sin x common here, correct? So look at this. Now what can I write now? If I take common beta, I'm writing directly here, I don't have space. 4 sin x, so 1 1 1, and this 2 will be same, I'm not writing. So all this became 1 1 1 1. Now if you observe this properly, how can I make the remaining things, how can I make this remaining row 2 and row 3 here? How can I make the row 2 and row 3 so fit, so that I can write my x value? Now 2 plus 4 sin x, so sin 2x I got. So which are the x values are going to satisfy here? Which are the following x values are going to satisfy? Very, very simple. Very simple means very simple question. Let's see how many of you catch the x value. You can solve it in a different method as well. X value lies between 0 and pi. X value lies between 0 and pi.
Guys, that question can be solved in another way as well. Look at this here. Let me write the question here again. What is the question given to you? 1 plus sine square x. That there was no space actually, so I couldn't write that. Cos square x, 4 sine 2x, sine square x, 1 plus cos square x. What are the possible values of x we need to find out? That's it. Sine square x and cos square x. 1 plus 4 sine 2x. Jaishwal, what is it? Jashwant. Are you able to follow Jashwant? Jashwant, are you able to follow? I'm applying elementary operation on column 1. Column 1 can be written as column 1 minus column 2. Look at this here. Can I just do that? If you can understand in a better way if I do like this. So C1 changes. So it becomes what 1. This becomes 0, and this becomes sine square x as it is. Okay, minus 1 1 cos square x. This becomes 0 minus 1 0, not 0. So problem 3 saying 1 plus 4 sine 2x. Correct. This became now just find out determinant. What is the determinant? Is going to be 1. 1 plus 4 sine x minus plus cos square x. So 0 into something 0 only, plus sine square x minus plus 1. So 0. So now 1 plus 4 sine x plus cos square x. So 4 sine 2x beta here. 4 sine 2x plus sine square x. So 0. So 2 plus 4 sine 2x is equal to 0. So this is what I got there also. Correct? This is what I got. Now look at 4 sine 2x is equal to minus 2. Sine 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, correct? So our solution should be, our x value should be, look at this. Yes, x value lies between 0 to pi. X value lies between 0 and pi. So sine 2x minus of can be written as what? Minus of can be written as what? 775 by 6. So sine 11 by 6. For minus, you will get only these two values. Very simple. So I can say that now 2x is equal to sine 2x is equal to sine 7 pi by 6, or you can say that sine 2x is equal to sine 11 pi by 6. You check 7 pi by and both will be satisfying. So sine will be getting cancelled. So x value is what now? 7 pi by 12 and 2x is equal to what? Sine will get cancelled here also. And what you have? 11 pi by 6. Correct. X value is what? 11 pi by 12. So now these are the two possible values. So which option is correct? How simple it is. You can do in this manner as well. Look at this. Here also I did the same thing, but look at this here. After finding the determinant, you'll be getting, you just need to find out the possible values of x. That's it. Possible values of x I got. Look at this, 7 pi by 12 as well as 11 pi by 12. How I got that? It is minus 1 by 2 can be written as 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Sign value is negative. So which is these two values are satisfying with negative 1 by 2. All right, as per the trigonometry, if you are good at trigonometry, you can write it very simply actually. So next x value 7 pi by 12 and 11 pi by 12 are my possible solutions. Next question. Hope it is clear. Let's solve this question. This 2021 question, this one also. So it has non-trivial solution. Which are the following is true. Non-trivial solutions is quite important question as well. This type of questions. Guys, non-trivial solution. What was the non-trivial solution condition? Check. Non-trivial solution condition. Determinant is equal to 0. Non-trivial. Where is that non-trivial? Here. Look at this. Non-trivial. Determinant is equal to 0. For trivial, determinant is not equal to 0. But for trivial, so non-trivial is nothing but you just make it as 0. Determinant make it as 0. Check. What is the answer is going to be now. Then which of the following is true he is asking. So 3 linear equations given to you. They have linear equations. And which are the following is true. Jashwant, you understood the previous question. Mohammad Jafar, you, Prashant, Tanishq, Charan, Dhairya, understood? You understood the previous question? Guys, you understood the previous question or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Was quite simple question. Understood, guys? Yashwant, very good, Yashwant. Charan, what about you, Charan? Charan, have you understood? Prashant, Tanishq, Dhairya, Mohammad Jafar, are you here or not? See, for non-trivial solution, again and again I'm telling you, for non-trivial solution, make determinant as 0. Again, look at this here. What was the question? For non solution, determinant. What is the determinant? How to determine? How to write the determinant? 4, 1, 2. Here 4, 1, 2, right? Coefficients 4, 1, 2. So 4 lambda 2, not 1, 2. And 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. What are the coefficients of this? Mu 2, 3 is equal to 0. So make a determinant of this. 4 into minus 3 minus 2 minus lambda. So 6 minus mu plus 2 into 4 plus mu is equal to 0. So minus 20 and minus 6 lambda plus lambda mu plus 8 plus 2 mu is equal to 0. Correct? So this is what I get basically. Now simplify this. 2 mu minus 6 lambda lambda mu and is equal to what? 12. Correct? Minus 20 plus 8 minus 12. So shifting that side, it becomes plus 12. So now what are the options? Now trial and error method. Let's go with the trial and error method. So when mu is equal to 6 beta, is it possible? Check. When mu is equal to 6, well, mu is equal to 6. Check. So 2 into 6 lambda plus 6 lambda. Yes, both will get cancelled. 12 is equal to 12. Yes. For mu is equal to 6, it is satisfying. it is satisfying. So next, this will not possible now, only this option is correct. Now let's check this both true. Lambda is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3, substitute here. Lambda is equal to 3a. So 2 mu 6 into 2 plus 2 mu is equal to 12. So minus 12 is equal to plus 12, not satisfies. For lambda is equal to 2, it is not possible. Lambda is equal to 3, let's check. So 2 mu, lambda is equal to 3, right? So 18. So 3 mu is equal to 12. So it is also not possible. So only option is lambda mu is equal to 6. Option A is correct. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? So this option is not possible. This option is not possible. And lambda is equal to, sorry, mu is equal to minus 6 also quite not possible. 110% your answer is going to be mu is equal to 6. Any doubts? Children, any doubts? See, I should get a response from your side, whether you guys are understanding or not. We have to rush somewhat. Why? Because we are solving previous year questions. All this concept has been already done. Okay, 2021 paper we are solving. Next question. Look at this. See here, every year you are getting so many questions on system of linear equations. So solve this question now. System of linear equation. This one is inconsistent. Is inconsistent, he is saying. Inconsistent is nothing but what? Check. Inconsistent is that. Inconsistent is nothing but what? Inconsistent is nothing but, where is inconsistent? Check. Consistent, infinite, inconsistent. Okay, when determinant is equal to 0, I'm getting inconsistent, because here again inconsistent solution I have under determinant is equal to 0. So let's make determinant equal to 0. Let's make our determinant equal to 0. What is the question given to you? So make determinant. So what is the determinant here? So 3 minus 2 minus k. 3 minus 2 minus k. Okay, next 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2 minus 4, 2, how much? Yes. Minus 2. Next 1, 2 minus 1. 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now 3 into 4 plus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 minus k, 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So now 8, 3 is 24 and 0 here, minus 8k. So k value is equal to 3 I got, correct? K value 3. But what he is asking for? Inconsistent if k is equal to and okay, you can't take, look at it here, and option B deleted, option C also deleted. Either option A or D should be correct. Why? Because k is equal to 3 is available in option B, sorry, option A and D. So any one of the option is going to be correct. Let's see which of the following option is correct. Okay, yes. Now how can you check that? How can you check that? Guys, look at this here. Where is that? Now this is my determinant. What is the determinant? Let me write delta, guys. Determinant is what? 3 minus 2 minus k. This is my determinant. So 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay, and x, sorry, not x, we have to write 1, 1, 2 minus 1. This is determinant 1. Determinant 1 is nothing but what? In place of column 1, I'll be writing this constant matrix, constant terms. What are they? So 10, 6, 5, m. Column 2 and column 3 will be same again. Hope you know this, guys. This is my determinant 1. What is determinant 2 now? Determinant 2 is what? I'll be writing this constant terms in place of column 2. That's it. So column 1 will be same, 3, 2, 1, 10 here, 6 here, 5m here. Now column 3 will be same again. Correct? Then delta 3 is what now? Delta 3 is what? That constant terms I'll be writing in place of column 3. That's it. So then column 1 and column 2 will be same. Minus 2, minus 4, 2. 10, 6, 5m. Okay, these are the three different determinants I got now. Okay, in fact four determinants. If you find the determinant, I'll tell you a trick here. If you find out the determinant of this, can't you get m value? Yes, definitely you will get m value. Okay, find out the determinant of this, you will get definitely m value here. You also get m value here. Okay, and if you find out determinant here, you will get m value. Then from that you can decide it very easily. Okay, so let's go with that. We need 4 by 5, right? M value 4 by 5. So this, guys, 1 second, it is a quite difficult task to write all these elements again and again. So what I do here is I'll just take a snap of this and paste it there. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Look at this. I'm in the class. Okay, yes. So this is what I just wrote there. Now let's find out one by one. If you have any doubts, you can just quite simply you can solve this better. Look at this here. For this, how can I solve m value? For this m value, how can I solve? Expand the 10 into 4 plus 2 plus 2 minus 6 plus 10m minus k k so 12 plus 20m. K value I got 3, right? So let's substitute 3 here. That's it. Substitute 3 here. So solving all this, what do you get? So 6 is nothing but 60. So 4, right here. So 4 beta here. 4. My bad. 4. So 80 minus 12 plus 20m minus 36 minus 60m. Okay. And what you get now? Minus 40m and minus 40m, 32, right? 80 minus 48, so 32, correct, is equal to 32, is equal to 32, is equal to 0, in fact is equal to 0. So how much m value is what? M value, in fact 32 by 40 I'm getting, so which is nothing but 8 how much? 8 fours, 8 fives, 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5. M is minus 4 by 5, nowhere. No, m value is not 4 by 5. In fact, you have to do not equal to 0 here. Not equal to 0, not equal to 0, not equal to 0, which is not equal to m value is not equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, minus 4 by 5 nowhere available. So solve this now. Expand this determinant. So 3 minus 6 plus 10m minus 10. So 2 minus 2 plus 2 beta here and minus 3. Expand. Are you able to understand how I'm expanding that? Expanding, I know, I'm sure everyone is aware of that. Okay, I'm writing k value directly and expanding. Okay, and minus 3, so 10m minus 6 is equal not equal to 0. Okay, what you left with now? Minus 18 plus 30m plus 20, so 0, in fact you just write that is 0, this 0, right? So minus 30m plus 18 is not equal to 0. So look at this here. This will, array boys, 0 can't be not equal to 0. This is also not true. This is also not true. Now solving this now. Solving this now, 3 into, you have to solve each and everything like this. So 20m minus 12 plus 2, 10m minus 6 plus 10, 4 plus 4. Okay, is not equal to 0. Correct? So minus 60m minus 36, 20m minus 12 plus 80. Correct? So is not equal to 0. And minus 40m, so minus 48 is equal to minus 32. Guys, m is not equal to 4 by 5. Check. 32 by 40 is what? 4 by 5 or not? So option D is correct, not option A. Option D is correct. After solving all that, I got to know. See here, I shouldn't even solve all these. For your understanding purpose, I just found the determinant. That's it. I expanded along with the first row. Everywhere, look at this here. I got minus 4 by 5. No, in options not available. Here 0 is equal to 0, not available. So here m is equal to 4 by 5 is I'm getting. So which is of k value 3 I got, and minus m value minus, sorry, m value 4 by 5 I got. K value 3 I got, m value is not equal to 4 by 5. So option D is correct absolutely. Question is quite simple only, but the calculation is somewhat lengthy. So you need not to be panic. You have to keep solving. Definitely you'll be getting the answer. Clear? Any doubts? Jafar, koi doubt? Jashwant, any doubts? Jashwant, koi doubt? Jashwant, are you here? Good. What about Dhairya, Prashant, Mohammed? Any doubt, guys? It is a simple only. I'm not doing anything new there.
No,
very simple calculation only I'm doing. The thing is, you need patience. You need patience for solving that. Hope everyone knows how to find out the determinant. So the only in third determinant, my value was satisfying, which is m value is not equal to 4 by 5. Sir, why did you take not equal to? Why? Because I just left with only two options, option A or D. Option A, m is equal to 4 by 5. Nowhere I'm getting m is equal to 4 by 5. So equated with the not equal. So option D, I'm getting k value as 3 as well as m value as 4 by 5. And m is not equal to 4 by 5. So it is quite simple process. Quite simple process. Please do revise again and come. We'll be solving few more questions in the next class, and then we'll go with the next new topic in the next class itself. Probably we'll go with the next topic. In the last 15-20 minutes, we'll start with the new topic. First 40 minutes, 45 minutes, we'll start, we'll solve determinants questions only again. Okay, children? Is it clear? Jashwant, Prashant, see the questions whichever I'm solving here, they are extremely very important for your JEE 2022. Since they are previous year questions, as well as you are understanding how depth the questions has been asked. Clear? You are understanding how depth the questions has been asked. If at all you are understanding the depth of the questions, it is quite and pretty simple to make the questions in an exam. Clear? If at all you are not going through the previous year questions, you will never understand the depth of the questions. Very simple. So kindly I'm telling you, you also solve few more previous year questions and come to the class. Don't simply look at this. I'll just show the screen once again. Look at this here. Don't simply come to the class, guys. See here, I shared this worksheet, I shared this questions bank to you. Please go through this. Look at this here. Everywhere system of linear equation question you have. Question number 19th. You can see this question here. See this question number 19th here. Please do solve this 19th question. I'll give a homework. Already I give few question homework. This is the homework. Okay. This is the homework. Next. And this is also homework. Okay. Next. 22nd question is a homework. Look at it. Everywhere system of linear equations 2021 here also. Everywhere system of linear equation question. Check how many questions we solved so far. Here also system of linear equations, and here also look at this here, unique solution. I mean, he's talking about the system of linear equations only again. Check here also system of linear equation everywhere. Check all the determinant question maximum, guys. Definitely I ensure you that maximum definitely you will get one question from system of linear equations. Definitely. Look at this again here. This is also homework. This is also homework. Take the question numbers alone. This is the question number 26. Question number 26. Homework. Question number 27 homework. 2021 again. Okay. And here also look at this here. 29 is also homework. System of linear equations. And look at it again. System of linear equations question, which is 23 33rd question, 32nd question, this is also homework. Okay, and take this as a homework again. 33, please do solve all these questions, whatever the questions I have given to you. So 33, 32, please do solve all these questions. 32, 33. Clear, children? Is it clear? Try solving. If you do not get, I'll help you in the next class. Try solving those questions. Okay. Okay, children, then let's make a move now. Thank you. Goodbye. You can leave the session now. Thank you.